1, 2, shake, shake, 1, 2, shake, shake, and then you go 1, 2, shake, shake, 1, 2, shake, shake, 1, 2, shake, 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 apa, shake, shake, ah, dia nana, dia nani, dia o, dia nana, dia nani.
And I think your family actually owns an olive.
Yes, because we like, let's say that Cynab Voyages owns like the Bennouna's farm, which
Right.
is like a guest house, and we have 245 olive trees that
Right.
we have planted 4 years ago.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
just before I came here,
Yep.
we press the olives,
Oh,
and
it's
we
that time
have
of the year.
fresh like olive oil.
Oh, my God.
And it's funny because I bought some. I brought some a little, like just a little bit of
Yeah.
olive oil to my sister,
Uh-huh.
and she was so happy. But because she never like
Oh,
really tastes like
Yeah.
a fresh
God,
olive
yes.
oil.
Well, that's
Yes,
one of the great
so-
things about going to Italy or Greece. You get it fresh or maybe not fresh, depending on the time of the year, but
Yes.
fresher than we get it in North America anyway, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, and I think it speaks to the diversity of Morocco, the fact that people, maybe they have this impression of Morocco, but there's actually so much more to do and see in Morocco. So
Yes.
I think we're getting the thumbs up. We're probably
Okay.
good to go. So the camera is going to focus on you. And when it does, that'll be your cue to say that Marie from Cynab Voyage is live, and the floor is yours, Marie.
Okay, so hi everyone. Let's dive in with Morocco. So let's start with Cynab Voyage, which is like a DMC that exists since 30 years. We work with Go Away since more than 15 years. And this is our team. You can see that we are all like wearing aprons because Azzeddine and I were living in New York before like installing ourselves in Morocco. And we had like 3 restaurants. So we offer, like we were talking about the farm, so we offer like cooking classes in our like farm. So let's talk about where is Morocco exactly. So it is like northwest of Africa. You can see at the top left of the map that it's really near Spain, which is in green. What is interesting with Morocco, as we just talked about, is that we have mountains, we have desert, we have valleys, and we also have a coast. Like lots of beaches, beautiful beaches on the Atlantic Ocean and also on the Mediterranean Sea. Morocco, just to give you a heads up, is it is like a monarchy, and this is Mohammed VI, who is like the king. The capital is Rabat. And like I was saying, there's a lot of diversity, like in the geography of Morocco. To go to Morocco, like I think it's important to know that there's like direct flights from Canada and United States that take like 6 hours, 6 hours and a half. You can live from Montreal, New York JFK, Washington DC, or also Miami to Casablanca. And since May this year, we have like a new direct flight from Montreal to Marrakech with Air Transat. And there's also like this weekend they launch United launch like their direct flight to from Newark to Marrakech. There's like lots of airports inside Morocco. You can arrive from different cities in Europe. And also you can take a ferry. We suggest to take the ferry in Tarifa, so you can just arrive like in downtown Tangier. Go Away has new offerings. So for 2025, we are launching like Morocco Odyssey. Odyssey, as you know, is a tour that is like dedicated to small groups with really nice accommodations. We also have like an itinerary or a stay in Marrakech, like because there's like direct flight to Marrakech, so you can go in Essaouira at the beach, you can go in the Atlas Mountains, and also you can go in the valleys and in the desert, which is Agafay, which is like 45 minutes from Marrakech and is like a rocky desert. So let's say here, I want to show you this Odyssey tour. So it starts in Casablanca and it finishes in Marrakech. You will have lots of activities over there. Like, let's say there's a picture of Casablanca and the beautiful mosque that is called Hassan II. So you can visit the interior of this mosque. It's the only visit that you can do in the mosque. And you're gonna go to see the ruins of Volubilis, which is a Roman city. And you stop in Meknes, you go to Fez to see the tanneries, you go to the desert, and after that you stop at Ouarzazate, which is like a place where there's a lot of film that are shoot. So you can visit the film studios over there, and also like this beautiful fortress that is called Aïd Ben Haddou, where like Game of Thrones were shooted like a couple of years ago. And you finish your trip to Marrakech. I think 2 days before you leave, you make a stop to the sea, like in Essaouira, where you can have like a wine tasting and a visit of a winery. There's a lot of wineries in Morocco. And after that, you go back to Marrakech to visit like different sites. The Medina is really something that we want you to experience. There's also like this Marrakech and surround itinerary, which is an itinerary where you will arrive in Marrakech and leave from Marrakech. And what you do is that you arrive, you have like a visit of the city, you go in the mountains like with this beautiful view where you can eat with, have lunch with local people, like the Berbers, who are like living like in the mountains, and you can have a trek also. You visit like the city, you go at, we were talking about the Bennouna's farm, so you stay for a day at the Bennouna farm where you will have like a hammam, a massage, you will enjoy the pool, you will also have a cooking class with us, and after that you go to the rocky desert that is called Agafay, and you finish in Marrakech to go back home. We also have this new tour that is like Morocco for families. So this tour is a little bit different because you do like the south of Morocco. So you start in Marrakech and finish in Marrakech. You just go to Ouarzazate, you go in the plains of Dades, and you visit the canyon, and there's like a nice treks that you can do there. You go to Merzouga, like where you can like stay in a tent, like with all the modern like accommodation. You go to Zagora, which is really south of Morocco, come back to Ouarzazate and Marrakech, and it's really fun for the kids. Also, you have like the Imperial City Super Special that we have, like that is really like a good seller for go away. So you go to Rabat, Meknes, Fez, and also Marrakech. And you start in Casablanca and you finish in Marrakech. There's also, I would say, transfers from Marrakech that are like easy to organize if you have to live from Casablanca. I just want to talk a little bit about the Bennouna's farm because this is like a new, something new that we have this year. We have 4 rooms that we can like make available for people to stay. We also do like day retreats where you have like people who come like by camel for transfer. And there's lots of things to do. There's a woman who can like do a henna for you. There's a cooking class. There's like, you see by the pool over there, there's like a tea ceremony that is done by a Berber woman. We also have like the massage. We even have a meditation room because we want people to be super relaxed and enjoy this beautiful scenery. So we would just want to say that Morocco is waiting for you. So you are welcome to come, and we will be happy to be of service for everyone. So thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you very much, Marie. You're welcome to just sit there for a second.
Okay.
We kind of chatted a little bit before you got into your presentation. But I think it's an eye-opener for people when they hear what you have to say of Morocco. And I guess of all your years, I think you said 26 years? 25?
That 30 years that Cynab Voyages exists? Yes. Yes.
What's the one thing that you keep hearing from guests about Morocco, their impression that they didn't realize, and then they come and they visit Morocco and they leave and they tell you, what is that one thing you hear most often?
The most often we hear is that Morocco is just amazing. There's the culture is like extraordinary. It's so diversified, and there's like also the let's say the geography that is like impressive because you can just see lots of mountains and everything, and also the people. They are like depending where you are. They are like they are dressed differently with colors. Like so, it's really amazing.
Yes,
so. Yes.
It's a place unlike a lot of other places.
Yes,
right?
and also people they like to have like a lunch with locals.
Yeah.
Like it's something that we are doing more and more, and they really enjoy too when they do like a trek in the Atlas and you have like a breakfast in the middle, like of you feel that you are like I don't know, Sound of Music movie.
Right. Very
so
exotic, very
yes,
exotic.
Yes,
And,
yes.
Like I said, always something interesting around the next corner in Morocco. And maybe again a destination that not a lot of people think about, but they should probably start thinking about it.
Oh yes, for sure.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Good. Well, thank you so much, Marie.
Pleasure.
We appreciate that.
Iyanani, yeah.